This video presents Taxiway Lighting for Fillets and provides an overview of taxiway fillet design and installation of taxiway edge lighting systems by the Office of Airports at the Federal Aviation Administration. For specific taxiway lighting design standards, refer to Advisory Circular 150/5340-30, Design and Installation Details for Airport Visual Aids. For related standards and general concepts of taxiway lighting design, refer to AC 150/5300-13, Airport Design. See www.faa.gov. Images in this video are graphical representations only and are not to scale. Discussion topics include taxiway fillet design, taxiway edge lighting design for fillets, and taxiway lighting figures. Taxiway fillet design. The figures illustrate dimensions for fillets around taxiway curves for less than 90 degrees delta, equal to 90 degrees delta, and greater than 90 degrees delta. These dimensions calculate the minimum pavement necessary for taxiway fillets. Radii of the fillet and taxiway center lines are not concentric. The radii of the center line and outer pavement edge are concentric. See the taxiway fillet design video for more information. Taxiway edge lighting design for fillets. The curved intersection of taxiways Mike and November at Boston's Logan Airport are shown. The FAA's taxiway design standards for curve design affect how to properly light intersections. Place taxiway edge lights at the point of curvature, or PC, on the inside and outside of the curve. Usually, lights at these points will not coincide with lights directly across the taxiway. The lead-in taper is broken into segments, an initial, gradual taper L1, and a second, more pronounced taper L2. Place a taxiway edge light at the intersection of tapers L1 and L2. Place a taxiway edge light directly across the taxiway from the light at the intersection of tapers L1 and L2. Place an additional light on the L2 taper between the light at the intersection of tapers L1 and L2 and the light at the point of curvature of the inner pavement edge. Use a maximum spacing of 50 feet for taper L2 per the straight segment standards in AC 150/5340-30. See AC 150/5300-13 for TDG fillet design guidance. Place a taxiway curve indicator light 50 feet prior to the point of tangency of the outer pavement edge. Spacing on straight segments does not exceed 200 feet. Taxiway edge lighting conforms to AC 150/5300-13, fillet geometry. AC 150/5340-30 includes figures for the following taxiway lighting configurations. A standard taxiway turn. A crossover taxiway. An entry or exit taxiway. A taxiway intersection reverse turn. A high-speed exit. And a right-angle runway taxiway intersection. Conformance to these standards enhances safety of aircraft maneuvering and establishes appropriate pilot visual cues in the national airspace. These reference materials provide guidance on taxiway lighting for fillets. Visit www.faa.gov to find these documents, videos, and related design tools. For additional information, contact the FAA's Office of Airports. The FAA appreciates your interest. Safe flying!